Hi, and welcome again to McDonald's Happy Meal Toy Review. So, um, our music, wait, just wait.
Wait,
And I will find McDonald's, our
toy.
McDonald's Toy Review. Just wait a meanwhile, cause
Wait.
finding it.
It's the toy number two.
I'm loving it. Yeah.
Toy number two.
Sorry about theme song, cause it's late. Okay, here we go. Um, wait. I'm loving it. Okay, and we go again. And this is the toy number.
One, two.
The toy number two.
Restaurant.
Huh?
Restaurant. Restaurant.
Okay, so this is the toy number two.
Wait.
I think it's our toy number one is Victini, and our toy number two is this. Oh, toy number one is Pikachu, and the toy, anong toy number ba si ano?
Restaurant.
Anong toy number pa si, anong toy number pa si ano, Victini?
Ano, Victini four.
Four. Victini is a toy number four, and Pikachu is toy number one. This is our toy number two, Reshiram. Reshiram. And here's it.
The hair wings. No.
And his tail is
Have a plastic of
lighting.
in the McDo. The
What are you on now?
no no.
Break. Okay.
This is the plastic of wings.
His tail
Oh,
is
kain lang. Hindi. Ayun.
his tail is lighting. Like no.
Oh.
Sorry. I just speak it. It's it. There you go. Turn off the light again. Yeah. When you up his wing, and there you go. Okay. So that is our
Number.
toy review. McDonald's toy review. Toy number two. Reshiram. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm loving it. And